Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. Hi guys, still I don't have any camera yet because it haven't arrived yet, so I use my avatar first, yeah. Hi guys, are you
Uh,
good?
Hello, sis. Good evening.
Hello, good evening guys. How are
Yes,
you?
how are you?
Hello,
Today,
good
I'm
how about
doing
evening.
you?
well. Yes, I'm good. I'm doing well today, guys. That's really what is it? Great day for the first day of the week, yeah.
Hello.
Okay, sis. Nice to
All
see
right.
you again.
Yes, guys. Nice to see you again, guys. How was your weekend, guys? Was it running well? Did you go somewhere for holiday?
Plain.
Pardon? It's only plain.
Plain, sis.
Flat, yeah. It's like a flat. Hello, si Sophie. Others, guys. Hi, bro and sis, all of you guys. I hope you're doing well on your own, okay? So, by the way, for today, we just want to go to our new topic for today. But before that, I just want to ask you about the last topic that we discussed. What did we talk about? Kemarin kita ngomongin apa ya, by the way? Anyone to remember about the last topic?
I had
Holiday.
this my
Holiday
oh,
in
I think
and
it's a maybe
vacation.
holiday.
Yes, exactly. Holiday and vacation, everyone. So, anyone knows what is the things that maybe the important thing that we use or we bring on our holiday? What is the most important thing that we should bring in our holiday? Apa tuh kira-kira? Hal atau benda yang wajib kita bawa kalau misalnya liburan?
Money.
Food,
Money, of
money, and
course,
then
money, and
Food.
then what
Handphone.
shoes,
the
handphone.
handphone. What else?
Clothes.
If you go to
Clothes,
in the
right?
mount, you
Yes.
have a like a
Camp
camping.
or 10, yeah? 10.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then what about
Wallet.
what is it? When
What
you bring,
is
yes, of course. Wallet, it doesn't just like useful if there is no money, right?
uh,
Do we just bring the wallet only? Yeah. How
Because
should
it's number one.
just bring
ID
the
card
handphone
maybe?
and also the banking, yeah?
Mm. And then ID card.
Yes, the ID card, that's the most important because when we just like there's something, yeah, we can just like save with the ID card. Yes. Okay, so everyone, so for today's topic, it's a kind of difference about health and sickness. Tentang kesehatan dan juga penyakit ya. Hari ini kita mau bahas itu. So, let's go for today. Let's go. Here we go to talk about this one, health and sickness. About this one. Okay. When we just talk about health and sickness, guys, do you think that you have a good health, by the way?
Alhamdulillah.
Yes,
I'm good.
alhamdulillah. You're good. Do you think that you have a good, what is it, behavior to be healthy for daily? Hello?
What?
Sis, one
What?
again, sis. Can
Oh, do
you
you,
pull a
uh,
screen again?
okay. Oh, yes, of course, of course, of course. What about this one? Do you believe that you have a healthy lifestyle for daily?
No.
No? Okay, si Sophie say no. Why no, si Sophie? Don't you
Ah,
think that you have a good health?
bukan saya sis yang ngomong sis.
Oh, siapa tuh? Sorry. Or sis Meza. What about you, sis Meza? I just want to know about your answer, sis Meza. Do you think that you have a good health or even do you have a healthy lifestyle for daily?
Maybe begadang terus.
Okay.
Hey, this is like this, bro.
Ya.
What do you think?
Sih, bro. True banget malah.
Apa nih? True sehat banget nih.
Sis,
Atau
you come
through
from
begadang?
Lampung? Because you're
No,
far
I'm
from.
not.
No,
No,
no, no.
not from
Meza,
Lampung.
Meza.
Oh, sis
Sis
Meza.
Meza.
Yeah, from Lampung.
What? Sorry?
Yeah, I'm
From
from
Lampung.
Lampung.
Oh, nice to meet you. Same for
Yeah.
me.
Oh my God.
You have the
Miss.
same, right?
Enggak kenal aja foto profilnya tuh kantor gubernur, Miss. It's like a
Oh,
office government.
okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Okay, so
What
what's the
about,
topic, sis?
yes, the topic is about health and sickness. So that's why I want to ask about this question first, okay? Miss Meza, can you answer it well?
Yeah, I think I'm not have a good lifestyle because I'm often
Doing exercise?
gak
Apa tuh?
miss. I'm not lot
Not
of sleep and lack of food. Gak teratur gitu loh, Miss.
Okay. I just like don't really used to it ya to do exercise. Kamu nggak terbiasa kan?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you think that you have a good or even like medium, nggak sehat banget, nggak juga
Enggak
ini.
yang seburuk itu sih, Miss.
Okay, berarti kayak not that worse, but also not that good ya.
Yeah, right.
Medium aja ya, biasa-biasa, it's normal.
Mm-mm.
Okay. All right, thank you, Sis Meza. Next,
Yeah.
Sis Nita. How about you, Sis Nita?
Okay, thank you. I think I really don't have a healthy lifestyle because I can avoid sugar, but I cannot avoid gorengan.
Okay, something oily.
Yes, and it's rare for me to have an exercise.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. So I don't have a
Right.
really healthy lifestyle.
Yeah, but yeah, sometimes you just like balance it by workout, yeah.
Yes, I have to, but
Okay.
it's too late. I'm too lazy to do it.
It's okay.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank
sis.
you.
Anytime, bro Gerald. Come on.
Hello, Miss. Maybe I think I have a good healthy lifestyle.
Mhm.
So
Why do you say that?
because I am I how about we can say I am gym rat, you know what? Do you know
Yep.
how gym rat? But I don't think so. Gym rat is good or not.
Mhm.
But when I doing some exercise like gym, maybe I think I always forget to take a break or
Okay. So it means like, do you just like do some gym too much ya?
yeah, I always
Kayak sangat ini ya, sangat ketat banget ya.
Like intensive gyms.
Okay, exactly. Yeah, intense gymnastics.
As is my
So,
experience also.
okay, thank you, Bro Gerald. So I think Bro Gerald just like do the workout too much just because of your hobby or just like you like it?
because I like it.
Oh, okay. So you enjoy about it, eh? And
Yeah.
also just like forget about something that maybe like also important besides do the gymnastics.
Maybe.
All right. Okay.
Oh yeah. So
All right. Thank
Miss,
you. Yes.
so this my I'm really sorry. I joined this class for karena tuh
Several days.
hari pertama tuh aku sibuk banget, Miss.
Okay. Pantesan aku baru kelihatan nih Bro Gerald, baru
Yeah, I'm really
kelihatan
sorry,
namanya.
Miss.
It's okay. Just welcome to the class, bro. Enjoy the class. All right,
Okay.
next. Si Sophie, let's go.
Aku pikir I think
Yeah.
it's not good.
That means
I
what?
think it's not good
Okay, not good because?
because my diet is not very healthy.
Okay, what kind of diet that you take?
Uh, ya, apa kalau aku bilang aku sering makan junk food?
I
I
often eat junk food. I often eat junk food.
I often eat junk food. Ya. I often eat junk food. Nah, aku
Eat junk
sering
food ya.
makan junk food. Eat junk food.
Okay. Yes, that's why you think that you don't have any good health, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sis. Next, how about Azalea? Let's go.
Esen tidur mana, Mak? Ya udah di sana aja. Di sini.
Hello, Azalea. Are you there?
Nah,
Hello, Miss.
Hi. What about you?
I don't think I have a healthy lifestyle because, I still have a bad sleep schedule and I don't, and my eating habits aren't great because I, I'm sorry, especially since I love sweets and I love eating so much candies and chocolates and marshmallows and cakes and ice creams. Yeah.
sana lah.
Yes, kind of sweet things, yeah.
Yes.
Tentang
That's
kesehatan.
why you think that you can control something that you eat, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's because of in your school there are a lot of food sellers. Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah,
There's a lot
you can just like hold your appetite to do or even to eat something. As long as you think that it's good, yeah, you can just eat that, right?
Yes.
Yes, all right. Thank you, Azalea. Bro Arya.
Can you hear my voices?
Yes, I can hear even it's just too little.
Okay, but first of all, maybe like Sis Azalea, I'm not have a healthy lifestyle because it's same like Azalea. Until now, I'm still eat food and no, I'm still eat sweet food and drink. For example, like chocolate, matcha, and others.
Mm.
Because it's my habit, and I know it's a bad habit for my body. Can have more risk for my body, and I'm still learn to stop bad to stop my bad habit because
I see.
I'm still like to when I saw a street vendor, it's more more like to buy like chocolate and matcha especially. Thank you.
I see. All right. So you just like really like to drink something sweet, right? Yeah, it's
Yeah.
about something more sweet. Right. Okay. All right, thank you, bro. Next, bro Bagus. Let's go.
Hello, good evening, sis.
Good evening, bro.
Yeah, I think I don't have a healthy lifestyle because I was eating noodles in the night
Okay.
because
Uh-uh.
I'm very hungry. And then I like salty food with the umami taste. Yeah, I
Uh-uh.
think it's not healthy for us.
Yes, cholesterol.
More cholesterol, yeah. And then every day I working close to my boss. It make me stressful. It's not healthy as well.
That's why you just like conclude that you don't have any good health, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Maybe even sometimes we don't even feel any sickness in our body. Yeah, but we just like conclude it's because of our lifestyle, right? For eating or even drinking or even exercising, something like that, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, bro. Next is Olive.
Okay, I think I'm not at good to have a healthy lifestyle because I'm very like to something taste salty. So
Mhm.
I think that so much natrium inside my body, and I don't really like vegetables. Sis.
Oh, okay. Why don't you like it? That's because of the taste, or that's because of the what?
But
Hello?
I try to balance it with drinking juice or eating fruits
Oh,
every day.
I see. So it means like just depend on just different way, yeah, to
Yeah.
have the vegetable. Just prefer to eat it to drink some juice, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Sis Olive. Next is Ais.
Ya, Assalamualaikum Sis Naza.
Waalaikumsalam, Sis Ais.
This my still for healthy ya. Ya sis.
Yes. Yeah.
I think menurut aku sih drinking lots of water,
Mm-mm.
drinking positively, berpikiran positif ya sis.
Okay, okay. It's about
Uh,
our thoughts, pikiran
yes.
ya.
No iri dan dengki gitu.
Yes.
Uh,
Sometimes
dan
really influence ya our health.
yes, yeah,
Mm.
pikiran jernih gitu. Then eating raw vegetables, I like it.
All right.
Sayuran
So
mentah
do you
raw. Mm-mm.
sayuran mentah, raw vegetable. That's right.
Yeah, yes.
So you just like what is it? Used to it, right? To eat raw vegetables and also just think clearly, don't think about what is it, betting too much, yeah. Because when we get
Yes.
stressed, that's also influence our health. It's not only
Mm-mm.
about the food that we eat, the exercise that we do, but also the things. When we just like think about something positive, yeah, our thought will be what is it, better, and also always think about something positively. Right. Thank you, Sis Ais.
Thank you, sis.
Alright, Brohi. Oke, nanti kita lanjut lagi ya, guys. Brohi, Sis Dayu, sama Sis Joli. Oke, 3 orang lagi. Let's go. Go on.
I sis.
Yes. Go first.
Yeah, I think I believe I'm healthy because I believe in my food. Yeah, that's all maybe.
Mhm. That's all?
That's all.
Okay, alright. Thank you, Brohi. Oke, singkat padat
You're
ya.
welcome, sis cute.
Oke. Alright, Sis Dayu. Let's go.
Okay, thank you. I not yet believe.
I don't believe.
I don't believe. Have a healthy lifestyle.
Why?
Because I sometimes sleep late and sometimes take a nap and sometimes exercise. Yes,
Yeah.
that's enough.
Okay, thank you, Sis Dayu. Next, the last one, Sis Jolly.
Yes, Miss, I wanna try. answer this
Yeah.
question.
Uh-uh.
Do you believe have a healthy lifestyle? Yes, I do. Because in a day, I drink around 2 or 3 liters of water.
Mm-mm.
Then I make sure I will drink water 2 or 3 liters, and I always eat vegetable and always eat fruit every day. But there's also bad lifestyle I do, like I still have a cheat day, like eat
Okay.
cake and sugar,
Mm-mm.
but I still have the boundaries when and how much I need to eat that. And then I also usually sleep at 11 p.m.
Okay. It's under midnight, right?
Yeah, under midnight. But that is my bad lifestyle.
Your
But
lifestyle.
I still have a healthy lifestyle, like I said before.
I see. So even you struggle with it, but you just try for making the best, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, by the way, sis Jolie. Let's go, everyone. So we just wants to know about the vocabularies first, yeah? Because if we just like talk too much in this main room, I think it's just like not enough for the time. If I ask you one by one, okay, let's go to the vocabulary first, yeah, before we go into our breakout room later. Okay, let's go. The first one is about common sickness, penyakit-penyakit umum yang biasanya terjadi ya di sekitar kita. The first one is about puffy eye. Okay, it's a puffy eye, puffy eye. Okay, puffy eye. And also yang kedua ada sneeze, bersin. Sneeze, bersin. And the third is runny nose. Runny nose artinya meler atau ingus gitu ya, beringus ataupun meler. Itu ada runny nose. Terus ada lagi eye irritation. Eye irritation, mata iritasi. Ada have skin rashes. Have skin rashes itu bentol-bentol. Have skin rashes, bentol-bentol. Ada itchiness, gatal-gatal. Ada wheezing, sesak nafas. Ada faint, pingsan. Faint, pingsan. Ada stomachache, sakit perut. Stomachache, sakit perut. Ada toothache, toothache. Toothache, sakit gigi. Ada diarea, diare, pink eye, mata merah, ada cold or flu, artinya masuk angin. Get cold, masuk angin. Kalau demam, ada yang tahu demam? Bisa pakai cold juga, bisa satu lagi ada yang tahu?
Fever.
Fever,
Fever.
bisa fever, fever. Bisa fever. Itu bisa juga yang namanya under the weather. Under the weather or fever, artinya demam. Oke, ada yang mau ditanyakan tentang vocab? The
Miss,
pronunciation maybe yes?
itu yang sakit perut bacanya gimana tadi, Miss?
Stomachache. Stomachache.
Stomachache. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
How about
Stomachache.
this
Yeah.
on a vocab to the
What
thing?
is that?
Sakit gigi.
Sakit gigi, toothache. Toothache. Oke. Pakai ache ujungnya ya. Aceh itu bacanya ache. Toothache, stomachache. Terus kalau sakit punggung itu namanya backache. Sakit punggung, what is in English? Backache. Nih aku taruh di sini ya, sakit punggung. Tunggu ya, sabar. Wait a
How
second.
about
Yes.
batuk? Kalau batuk,
Batuk itu
Miss.
cough. Tunggu ya sebentar. Aku tulisin. Sakit punggung. Nah, kalau batuk itu namanya cough. Cough itu batuk. Nah, ini dia.
How about sakit kaki? I think it's a sore foot.
Sore legs, I think.
Hot food, sis?
Sore legs juga boleh.
Oh, oke.
Miss, kalau sakit kepala, Miss.
Headache. Headache.
Kayak bahasa Sunda, Miss.
Oh, sakit. Ya, tunggu sebentar ya. Aku tulis sebentar.
Oke.
Oke. Apa tuh?
Kalau sakit hati itu gimana?
Aduh,
Ayo,
agak beda
ayo
tuh.
kita tahu. Anyone can answer the question?
Miss,
Broken
attack, Miss.
heart.
Attack,
Sakit
Miss.
hati, broken heart. Ah,
Oh my God, sabar.
Kalau rumah sakit, broken home.
Oh, eh.
Why, bro, why?
aduh.
Miss,
Apa tuh?
kalau
Kalau-
sakit kaki apa, Miss?
Broken heart, sakit hati sayang.
Sakit kaki,
Broken.
Miss, bukan
Oh, sakit kaki. Aduh, ke bawah-bawah jadinya.
Kalau one text itu kayak mana sis? Kayak contohnya gini. For example, kalau one text, for
Oke, apa
example, sakit kepala karena nggak ada uang itu gimana itu sis?
sakit kepala. Oke.
Money.
I feel headache. Itu tapi nggak bisa kayak sakit kepala langsung, tapi kayak aku merasa sakit kepala because I don't have money gitu jadinya.
Thank you sis.
Yes. By the way, pertanyaannya random ya. Oh my god.
Of course.
Oh iya sis. Satu
Kalau
Apa
sakit
tuh?
lambung kayak mana, Miss?
Yang
Pardon? GERD lah, sakit lambung itu GERD. We can say GERD, right?
Oh,
Kalau
yes,
sakit
same.
telinga.
Atau karena guys, but kalau sakit perut itu kan dia itu kan stomachache. Stomach itu dalam artian itu bisa juga lambung, oke?
Oh,
Iya,
Baru tahu,
dalam
Miss.
artian sakit lambung itu bisa juga stomach. Maksudnya lambung itu bahasa Inggrisnya stomach, bukan sakit lambung ya. Tapi kalau
Yes.
misalnya kita mau bilang sakit lambung, stomachache juga. Apa tuh?
Kalau yang
Atau GERD aja kalau lebih umum.
yang
Hah?
umum itu seringnya pusing sis. Itu gimana?
Kalau pusing itu dizzy.
Dizzy, I'm so dizzy. Miss, kalau gini, Miss, aku pengen yang gini,
Oke.
Miss.
Apa tuh?
Kan sneeze,
Tunggu
itu
ya.
kan bersin ya, Miss.
Ya, benar.
Kalau bersin-bersin, sneezes. Ya kan?
Enggak,
Pakai
beda.
ES nggak?
No. That's different ya. Kalau misalnya yang ditambahin ES itu hanya untuk kata benda yang jamak. Contohnya kayak
Oh.
meja-meja. Jadi table kan kalau meja
Tables.
doang table,
Ya,
ditambahin
ya.
S. Nah, tapi kalau untuk
Tables.
kata kerja itu nggak berlaku ditambahin S.
Oh, lalu gimana, Miss? Kalau
Nggak
bersin-bersin,
berlaku
Miss?
ditambahin S. Ya udah bersin aja sneeze, nggak pakai S. Sneeze aja.
Sneeze.
Nggak pakai. Ya jadi kita nggak ada pengulangan kata dalam bahasa Inggris. Bukan sneeze, tapi bukan sneeze tambahin S juga gitu. Tapi sneeze doang.
Miss, kalau pain, Miss, I'm in pain. I
Pain
hurt
itu
you,
juga
I'm in
sakit
pain.
ya. Pahit juga, pahit. Sakit, sorry. Pain itu
Pahit.
juga sakit, kayak painful, sangat sakit gitu. That's painful. I'm in pain, aku
Yes.
sakit. Tapi kalau misalnya kalian mau bilang aku sakit, I'm sick aja, jangan I'm pain. Karena pain itu lebih ke kayak menuju salah satu bagian dari tubuh. Kayak gitu misalnya painful jadi merasa sakit gitu. Tapi bukan kayak I'm in pain gitu, no. I'm sick aja. Kayak gitu. Apa tadi itu siapa yang mau nanya?
Kayak luka besar
Berarti
gitu.
kalau
Apa tuh?
Miss,
Person want
Ya.
to say this, guys, please.
Miss,
Apa itu?
bedanya pain, ache, sama sick itu gimana ya, Miss? Spesifikasinya?
Kalau
Thank you,
misalnya, yes, anytime sis. Oke, kalau misalnya pain itu lebih ke kayak salah satu bagian tubuh kita yang ngerasa sakit. That's a pain. Intinya sakit juga, tapi lebih ke bagian tubuh. Contohnya kayak back pain, sama kayak backache tuh. Back pain, sakit punggung. Dia ada part-part tertentu di tubuh kita. Tapi kalau sick itu lebih ke kayak general, secara general. Saya merasa sakit, I'm sick, gitu doang. Terus tadi satu lagi apa? Sore ya? Once more. Tadi satu
Yes,
lagi apa?
sore.
Sore itu ini contohnya kayak sore eyes. Gini, sorry. Sore eyes. Nah, sakit mata itu pakai sore eyes. Gitu, guys. Dia enggak semuanya pakai ache, ada yang pakai sore, tapi for the specification mungkin lebih ke kayak kalau sore dan pain itu dia lebih ke bagian-bagian tertentu di tubuh kita. Tapi kalau misalnya sick itu dia secara general. Kalau merasa sakit.
Oh, bedanya ill sama sick apa ya, sis?
Sama itu kalau ill sama sick sama. I'm ill. I'm sick. Kalau ill sama sick ya. Itu that's kinda not that different. Sama aja. Boleh dipakai secara general karena penyakitnya itu tidak disebutkan, tak termention. Oke?
Gimana tulisannya? Il?
ILL.
Sis mau tanya, kalau
Yes.
ibarat kita mau ngomong, aku sakit, terus aku di hospital, berarti pakainya I'm sick aja, I'm sick gitu.
Aku sakit, terus?
Iya, terus aku di rumah sakit sekarang, jadi I'm sick
Ya,
in.
you can say that I'm sick. Tapi kalau lebih spesifik, boleh disebutin sakitnya sakit apa gitu. Kalau sick doang, itu kan secara general. Kalau aku sakit, tapi kan belum tahu ya sakitnya apa. Secara general sakitnya kan pasti ditanya lagi. Okay, what kind of sickness that you have gitu kan? Apa penyakit apa yang dia punya, apa yang dia jangkit gitu kan? Kayak gitu.
Baru kita ngomongnya.
Okay, what about
Apa
this
yang
one?
drop?
I just want to ask you guys about this. Gejala, what's in English?
Gejala.
What's in English?
Symptoms.
Gejala
Symptoms.
Symptoms. Okay, symptoms. Okay. What
Kalau
about
penyebab itu
this one?
reason.
Reason
Cause.
bisa alasan, tapi kalau dalam penyakit itu cause. Ya benar. Sus Nita. Next, ada sembuh. Apa sembuh? What is sembuh?
Feel better.
Heal. Nah, kalau misalnya healing itu artinya sembuh ya guys, bukan jalan-jalan ya. Oke. Healing itu artinya kalian sembuh dari sesuatu penyakit. Oke. That's called healing. Oke,
Kalau
next.
yang menyembuhkan sakit apa sih? Yang menyembuhkan sakit gitu.
What is it?
Apa Kameza?
Yang menyembuhkan sakit.
Dokter.
Kalimatnya gimana dulu? That's depend on the sentence. Kalimatnya gimana dulu? Dia nggak bisa separuh-separuh gitu. Karena kadang-kadang beda kalimat, beda ini. Arrangement.
Misalnya Tuhan yang menyembuhkan sakit gitu.
God will heal the sickness.
The sick heal.
Menyembuhkan penyakit ya. God will heal the sick.
Sis, I have a question.
Yes.
Soal
Yes.
obat. Kita ngomongin obat kan di sini, sis.
Yes,
I mean,
benar.
a lot of obat. Karena kan banyak
Yep.
tuh kayak artinya kayak drug, medicines,
Oh, oke.
injections, cure.
Tapi kalau di sini pakainya medicine secara general.
What
Kalau
about
misalnya
this?
apa tuh?
Yeah, what about this poison?
Pardon?
Poison. Kayak orang banyak juga
Poison.
pakai
Kalau
bokep on poison gitu.
ya poison ya lebih ke ramuan karena kayak itu lebih ke pengobat racun gitu. Poison. Lebih ke obat dari racun ya kalau poison itu. Tapi kalau untuk obat-obat yang menyembuhkan itu lebih ke medicine kayak gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya ini for example kayak misalnya ini toko obat. Nah, toko obat itu bawa pakai drugstore gitu. Atau pharmacy gitu.
Kalau herbal gitu merujuk ke herbal, I mean like
Tradisional.
kalau misalkan bukan poison ya, poison juga bukan ya?
Potion kan, bukan poison kan, beda loh.
Beda.
Potion or poison.
Potion,
Ini potion.
P-O-T-I-O-N-nya itu.
Ya, potion itu obat. Kalau poison tuh ini lebih ke apa namanya racun. Nih poison. Racun.
Poison.
Nih kalau potion itu obat, oke. Itu lebih ke kayak minuman bentukannya ya, cairan ataupun sejenisnya liquid. Tapi kalau secara umum ini jarang digunakan sih ya, kalau secara umum. Oke, mungkin lebih spesifik itu akan menggunakan potion ya. Untuk dokter-dokter yang lebih spesifik itu menggunakan potion. But for general pasti banyak menggunakannya medicine. Nah, kalau yang bawah ini sebutannya poison.
Jadi kalau herbal apa sih?
Poison. Traditional medicine lah.
Traditional
Traditional
medicine.
medicine. Iya, herbal, obat tradisional kan.
Thank you, sis.
Kalau
Oke.
keracunan,
Ya, get a poison. Teracuni. Is poisoned itu diracuni, terracuni. Misalnya, pardon? Sorry guys, what is that?
Expositioned. How to say? Diracuni itu how to say in English?
Nah, is poisoned.
Yeah.
Poisoned. Gini, diracuni atau teracuni. Misalnya, she is poisoned. Ini berarti dia diracuni atau teracuni. Ini namanya kalimat apa sih? Sorry. Dia diracuni atau teracuni.
Oh, she is poisoned love.
Hah? Poisoned love?
Yes.
Keracunan cinta. Ada lah.
Alamak. Itu udah aku sekarang, Miss.
Oke, ada yang curhat nih ya. Oke.
Iya, Miss. Kalau bisa boleh Miss ini aku mau curhat, Miss.
Kita buka kelas curhat ntar. Oke. Next, by the way, next ada perawatan apa?
Treatment nih.
Ya,
Treatment, Miss.
treatment.
Ini.
Medical treatment bisa nggak, Miss?
Apa? Medical treatment
Medical
ya,
treatment.
perawatan medis
Ah.
ya, bisa. Perawatan medis jadinya. Just like
Ada nggak bahasa
that.
akademik, Miss?
Hah?
Academic language-nya ada nggak, Miss?
Kalau misalnya yang tadi perawatan medis ya, medical treatment, that's called perawatan medis. But I don't know ya the exactly what you mean before. Okay. Alright, so it's a time for you guys 20 minutes for having breakout room ya. I'll send the topic on WhatsApp group. Ya, bro, Gerald. Do you want to ask something?
Lebihin, sis. Lebihin dikit, sis.
Oke. Kenapa, bro?
Waktunya lebih dikit, sis. Kan tadi 25 ya? 25 minutes?
Yes.
Boleh lebih
Ya.
dikit nggak, sis?
Boleh 5 menit ya. 25 ya. Oke. Wait. I'll go for 10. Oke, 4 ya rata-rata ini. Oke, tunggu sebentar. Ya, bro.
Kenapa jadi mukanya jadi kayak hewan gini, Miss?
Iya, actually I just want to open my camera, but my camera is broken and I just bought the new one but haven't arrived yet. Okay, just wait ya for it guys, sorry.
Miss Zaza is really saya.
Kenapa?
Malu gak, Miss?
No, kemarin aku tuh KKM, cuman gara-gara tiba-tiba webcamnya rusak, jadinya nggak bisa buka kamera, sedih banget.
Tapi lucu jadi pop.
Tapi aku udah beli yang baru dong, tunggu nyampe ya guys. Oke, alright, boleh masuk. Aku kirim topiknya di grup ya seperti biasa.
Please allow us to share screen.
Oke, wait ya
Thank
sis.
you.
Anytime.
Miss, aku kan nggak ada notifnya ya, Miss.
Pardon? Kenapa, Sis?
Nggak ada notifnya suruh masuk ke ininya, roomnya.
Tunggu, aku cari Sis Meiza. Sis Meiza. Oke, sebentar ya, jangan diklik dulu ya.
Ya.
Oke. Tunggu sebentar ya, Sis Mei. Oke, sudah Sis Mei.
Oke.
Sis,
Ya, bro. What happened?
can you
Keluar ya?
invite me to room 9?
Room
Room
9.
9. Yeah.
Oke, sebentar. Sudah.
Thank you, sis.
Alright.
Anjay, mampus aku.
Aduh. Hmm. 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 Nggak ada suara ya. Halo, 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 halo. Nggak ada suara. Ah. Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Yeah. Hello, hello.
Hmm.
Anyone hear me?
Hmm. Buat mana? Tuh,
Hello. Hello.
Hello. How was the class, everyone? How was the group, by the way?
Very
Nice.
Indeed, is
But one person left the group.
Okay.
Just three of us.
That's because of his shy or what?
I don't know. She's
Kepencet.
yeah, maybe.
Kepencet.
Let's say like that.
Atau yang mengaku itu adalah orangnya. Nah, kepencet ya.
Oh, he's in our group.
So many, a lot of.
Hello.
Okay.
Funny, bro.
Hello, everyone.
This class is really friendly.
Sis,
Okay.
tadi ada yang di roomku, tapi dia tiba-tiba keluar nggak ngomong sama sekali dia. Mana orangnya?
That's because of berarti Bro Akbal ngebully nih.
Enggak, bukan. Dia keluar gitu, aku ngajakin ngobrol dia.
Oh, belum. Maybe he just like really afraid to talk or something or shy or
afraid?
something. I don't know why.
Miss.
Yes.
It's so fun, Miss.
Oh,
But it's not enough.
So fun.
Kurang ajar.
What about fun?
So that's why tomorrow for the main room we just like have 30 minutes ya only, okay? Jadi
Okay.
besok di ruang
Lebihin dong sih, jangan 30 minutes dong, 35.
Okay.
45 menit, sis.
Kurang, Miss.
Miss, I think
Kurang
this 1 hour
sis.
is much better, Miss. 1 hour.
I mean like the main room. We just like reduce the time for the main room. Okay, you can ask something, but I just like mention something that important in the main room, not something that not important. So you can just like have a practice more in a breakout room. Okay.
Fine, sis.
Okay.
1 hour, Miss. 1 hour.
Alright. 1 hour langsung aja breakout room gitu ya. So I don't even teach each other. So I don't even teach you guys. I just like, oh my god, diam-diam aja ya. Kalian aja yang ngomong gitu.
Ya, pucet tau.
I think this really good. Pucet tau.
Kicau mania.
Kicau ini ya.
mania.
Stop it.
Bro Denny.
By the way, guys, we
What
need
is
to make that kind of video, right? Kicau, but later, right? After I open my camera, okay?
Are you sure about that?
Boleh banget.
We create this kicau mania on a
Of
video.
Let's go, bro.
Can't wait.
Oh, guys. I really like
But
that.
I think I already know.
I don't know why it's that.
Sekarang.
But
No. Maybe
later,
until his
later.
next time
Like
on
one
the
day.
open a
If
cam.
it's still viral ya. If it's still viral. Kalau masih viral aja. Kalau enggak nanti kita ketinggalan zaman
And
ya.
then we are kind of open off a cam.
Of
Semua?
course.
Yeah.
Just like open like kicau.
Nggak sabar nih, Miss.
Tuh nggak sabar.
Just we
Tuh,
just
my
see
friend.
guys.
Alamak.
Okay.
Alamak, bawa kotak pula.
But I already know, guys, who is the person that don't want to open the camera. I already know about you guys. Kayak
How
ada
about me?
yang nggak mau.
Onde mande.
How about me, sis? How about
Yes.
let's say
Yes.
this?
Nah.
Tapi juga kameranya yang
Ganteng banget
beneran
tuh,
ya,
bro.
Benar.
Get out.
Aduh.
Kamu
juga ganteng,
people on the hill
Ya,
like
banget ya.
cantik and then ganteng always,
Of
right?
course.
Mania banget ya.
Oh my god.
Gorgeous
We just
and
like also
handsome.
embrace ourselves, right? We have to embrace
You too,
ourselves
bro.
to be handsome and beautiful, right?
Whatever you say,
Of
sis.
course.
Ow.
Okay. All right. So thank you so much, everyone, for tonight's class, and that's really fun. Monday, I think. It's just like the closing class. So I hope for tomorrow it will be better and also more fun, right?
Break.
Okay,
Oke,
Let's go.
sis.
Thank you so much, everyone. See you guys.
Welcome,
Bye.
Miss.
Good
You're
night.
welcome.
Ayo, login.
Thank you, sis. Thank you, sis.
Gip, gip,
Mabar,
gip,
mabar,
gip,
mabar.
gip, gip.
Roblox,
Wait,
ML,
Kabar,
mabar.
kabar.
let's go.